Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to share a recipe. This is a recipe for diet, and even you can use this recipe, you can prepare this recipe during summer as well. So this is the recipe I'm preparing with cabbage, which is good for diet definitely. And the name of the recipe is BADHAKOFI R JHOL. So if you are preparing this in summer, in this hot summer, I prepared that because no other sabji or vegetable I wanted to try, because I need something which has more gravy, the light gravy but more gravy, so the water content will be better for me. Even when I start the diet, I always have this food, this BADHAKOFI R JHOL side dish, because my rice content is less, that's why the vegetable will be more. So it is a balanced diet, you can say. At the same time, it's good for health, it's not spicy, and yet very tasty. So what you are waiting for? Just go through the recipe and try this recipe, BADHAKOFI R JHOL. Let's start with the recipe. So I'm showing you what I have. Very quickly I'm showing it to you. So I have this cabbage or BADHAKOFI and cut it into this kind of pieces, the dice, and then the masala. So I have Panch, Foron, Bengali 5 spice, ginger garlic paste, salt and sugar together, and red Kashmiri Red powder and turmeric powder or haldi, and this is Bori, choto Bori, small size. You can, if you don't have this, you can have big one and then crush it. And I have this potato, diced, small diced, and sliced chicken. So first of all, I will fry this potato and the Bori as well separately. So let's start. By the way, I'll cook it in mustard oil. So mustard oil, I have to heat it. Okay, and I will fry this Bori at first. You can use any kind of Bori, any flavor. So I'm using the plain one without hing, because my parents cannot digest the hing, so I'm not using that hing wala bari, only the normal one. So it depends what sort of Bori you wanna use. The Bori is done. Now I will fry the potato. So it's not marinated, just the potato I will fry very carefully. The oil is very hot. I will fry the potato and then I will keep it aside. I'm not adding any sugar or turmeric, nothing. Just fry it. Okay, potatoes are done, fried, lightly fried actually. Now I will fry this cabbages. Lightly I will toss it, and after that I will cover it, and then I'll start the cooking, the BADHAKOFI R JHOL. So cover it and I will toss it. You can hear the sound, crackling sound. So as I said, just toss, and then I will keep it aside, and after that I will start the main cooking part, which is very easy and very quickly we will prepare this BADHAKOFI R JHOL. Now I will keep it aside, and now I will add little bit of mustard oil. Already the kadai is heated, so I can add the Panch Foron. Just lightly toss it, and then I will add onions to fry. And of course ginger garlic paste. Now I have to quickly saute it, and then I will add other ingredients once these are done. Let me check if these are done or not. Yes, it's almost done. Fried, not deep fried, lightly fried. The smell is really divine, what I can say, and it's really very hot outside. So this is a quick recipe, quick sabji or curry recipe. And now I will add the fried potato over here, and then rest of the ingredient. This is Kashmiri Red powder and turmeric, sugar and salt together. Now I will coat it properly. Seriously, if I add Panch Foron in any cooking, either veg or non-veg, the smell and taste is really awesome. It's different, and that Bengali 5 spices Panch Foron. So I will add 1 tablespoon of water so that the masala won't burn and it will cook properly. At this stage, I will add the fried cabbage as well. So here goes the fried cabbage. Saute, actually, not fried. Again, a light toss so that it will coat properly, and I will add water. As I said, it's jhol or gravy, so I will add water as well. First I need to coat it. And now I will add water. It depends that how much gravy you want. And I will eat. So as I said, it's jhol or gravy, so this much of water at least needed, and I'll cover it and I'll leave it for 5 to 7 minutes. So it's properly done. Cabbages are boiled, this is soft. At this point of time, I'll switch off the gas and I will finish it off with a sprinkle of garam masala powder. Just a little bit of garam masala powder. That fried bori. So it's done. This is a summer recipe, but you can have it during winter as well. If you're in diet, you can try this recipe. Thanks for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. And for such recipes, you can go through it and definitely go through the playlist. So this is done. I will serve it with rice, with roti as well. And if you want to place food order, you can go through Zomato Madhurima's kitchen page, or in Google Madhurima's kitchen page. You can follow me in Instagram Madhurima's kitchen. Or for any kind of update, menu update, price update, or upcoming pop-up menu, you can always contact me through Facebook page Madhurima's kitchen. So enjoy this BADHAKOFI R JHOL, and I'm going to prepare some other recipe or something like that. So stay tuned.